I just found that I'd like to make photography a new hobby. I don't know where to start. Which camera should I buy? Is there any useful books about it that you can recommend?
Oh, okay, hey. Look at this little corn dog thing. That's a very interesting question, and there is never really a right answer to that. But I'm just gonna say what I got. I got a Nikon. The first model that I shot with was a Nikon D3000. It was an entry level. I think it was about like $600 when it came out. And I just used the lens that it came with. I used no books, and all I did was shoot my friends and family, and I just spent hours and hours taking pictures of random things like plants, my phone, my chargers, my blankets, and I don't know, it was just random. It was just play, like it was just fun, like I didn't really care. But if I were to recommend you something, I would recommend a Sony mirrorless camera if it's in your budget, just because they're the future. They do everything DSLRs do. They weigh less, and I think that's a big thing because they can shoot photos and videos, and just the things you can create are like limitless. So that's what I would recommend.